Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm doing a hair thickness tips, tricks, growth hacks. Plus I'm also going to be adding some products that I love, products that add to that thickness and growth, just all the good stuff, you know. Some products I've actually been using here on my channel and you guys are going to be like, ugh, Ella, you talk about this all the time, but honestly, they're products that work time and time for me. And so because I'm bringing a couple back into this video, it means that they're working. Yes. This video is sponsored by the Innate Life. This is a non-toxic, natural, and organic line. Absolutely love their scalp treatment for normal scalp and their rose hair elixir. I'm going to be talking a little bit more about these products next. Just wanted to give a shout out to the Innate Life. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and let's get to it. The number one tip is to maintain a healthy scalp. I've been into plants lately and I've learned so much from just watching them grow from the minute I plant the seed to watering them and just watching them bloom and sprout. It tells a lot, not just about life, but also about our scalp. If the soil isn't good, the hair isn't good. Good scalp is the foundation of good, healthy hair, and it's really important that we do take care of our scalp. I actually have normal to dry scalp, especially during the winter season, and that's when my Innate scalp treatment comes into play. This gives me intense hydration and repair. It's not your average scalp treatment, and I love the fact that it is organic. This contains argan, castor, rosemary oils. It also contains these two ingredients. They all help to hydrate, add shine, and repair the hair. I've been using this for 1 month, twice a week, and I just apply it on my scalp and like rub it for a couple of minutes, and I'll do laundry or clean the house. After an hour, I wash it off, and I always notice that my scalp feels so nice and hydrated. It doesn't feel dry. If you're like me, I'm always styling my hair. I'm always using hairspray products, dry shampoos, heat protectants, different types of oils, and all that can get built up in my hair follicles. Hair follicles are very similar to the pores on our skin. They can get clogged up by products, oil. Everything can build up in them and hinder hair growth. Sometimes clogged hair follicles can cause hair loss or weaker hair strands. So it's really important that we clean our scalp, get rid of any kind of product buildup. And this is another reason why I absolutely love scalp treatments like this. It also smells like eucalyptus. Love it. I love the smell of eucalyptus. It always opens up my nasal cavities. So number one is to make sure that the scalp is clean and healthy from any kind of buildup, whether it is from your own natural oils or hair products. Make sure that scalp is nice and healthy for healthy hair to grow. Another product that I love by Innate is the Rose Hair Elixir. This contains 15 organic oils, and what it naturally does is it tames frizz and adds a ton of shine. I feel like it's actually coated my ends. It's made them a lot stronger. I add just like a couple of drops and I warm it up in my hand. I don't necessarily put it on my scalp because again, I do like to keep my scalp free from as much product as I can because I like to wear my hairstyle for a couple of days. If I do have a little frizz up here, I lightly apply it like this. I don't really press it on my scalp, but typically I don't really get any kind of frizz, especially when I'm using a scalp treatment like this that helps to also tame frizz. It does a really nice job in coating my split ends and making them feel a lot stronger, which also adds to the anti-breakage formula, which is cool. And it smells like rose. Highly recommend these two products. I will link everything in the description below. Another reason why our hair isn't as thick or doesn't grow as fast as we would like it to is aging. Aging is by far, I would say, the number one factor. I remember when I was younger, I had really curly, thick, healthy hair, and I didn't have to do anything. Like, I barely even ate. All I wanted to do was play outside during my childhood. And I would have this beautiful, thick, curly hair. No split ends, you know. As our body ages, so does our hair. It takes me more effort to keep my hair healthy and thick and long, and I do a couple of things actually. I like to approach it more in a holistic manner. It's not just the products I use. It's really important what I feed my body. So having a good healthy diet filled with avocados, nuts, seeds, what kind of seeds? Why did I say seeds? Eggs have a lot of good biotin in them and amino acids as well. What else? There's so much. You guys can look up on Google all the foods that help with thicken and strengthening hair. Having a healthy diet is very important. This is what I usually do. I look at my plate and I'm like, okay, do I have all the necessary nutrients? I'll look at it. I'm like, okay, I have my protein. I have my avocado, which is good fat. I have my spinach and vegetables, which contain all the vitamins that I need. What else do I need? And I also like to drink at least 8 cups of water a day, like the really big cups. For me, I function a lot better when my system is hydrated, plus my skin loves it. I love tangerines. I peel those all day, every day. I can eat like a whole bag to the face, or any other kind of antioxidant fruit that contains vitamin C. It's really important that we have that because it helps with strengthening the collagen or increasing the collagen in our body. And collagen is very important in terms of our skin's tissue and our hair follicles. Antioxidants can be like vitamin C, oranges. I typically like to snack on berries, strawberries. If you eat a lot of orange or have a lot of vitamin C, your skin will look amazing. Plus your hair will have this really beautiful shine and it'll feel really strong. Another reason why it's important to have a diet filled with antioxidants is because it protects our skin and our hair from the outside pollutants. There's so many free radicals out there that damage our hair and our skin, so it's important to make sure that we have a diet filled with antioxidants. Aside from doing that, I also, where's my Hairtamin supplement? I also take Hairtamin. One thing I've learned with my Hairtamin journey is that it's not only about taking one ingredient. I used to think that biotin was like the magic ingredient for strengthening and lengthening hair. I mean, like biotin, don't get me wrong, biotin used to make my nails grow like crazy. But it's not just biotin. Like I noticed a big difference when I started taking my Hairtamins because it does contain a good mixture of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other types of ingredients. Help with lengthening and strengthening and just thickening the hair. I've also heard, but I haven't tried, adding a shower filter that contains vitamin C. I heard it makes your hair super soft and not frizzy. And I want to try that so bad. Another reason why our hair sometimes doesn't grow is because of the styling process. Like I stopped getting my hair blow dried at the dry bar because every single time after the styling process, I notice I lose so much hair. All that pulling and tugging. For me, I notice whenever my scalp gets heated, I lose more hair, which is so bad. So what I like to do actually, and you guys have probably seen me do this here on my channel or on my Instagram, I like to actually curl my hair first with a regular curling iron and then roll them and then pin them. Which brings me to my favorite products. These are from Sally Beauty and they come in different sizes, which I love. I like to use different size rollers as well because it gives me a variety of curls and sizes. As for the clips, sometimes I won't use the rollers and I like to just roll my curls and clip them with these ones. Also, depending on your styling tool, like some straighteners will pull on your hair and it will cause a lot of hair fallout. Ceramic straighteners don't do that. They're very nice and small. You know, I highly recommend the one from Amazon series. Oh my god. Beautiful, amazing straighteners, and the hair looks so nice, shiny, and silky. When you're straightening the hair, you comb it out, you blow dry it. I never, ever style my hair when it's wet unless I want to like quickly braid it because it will cause more breakage. So for that reason, I just typically air dry my hair. I don't even use the blow dryer. But when I'm in a hurry and I need to style my hair quickly, yeah, I'll use the blow dryer. But yeah, I try not to add as much heat. I style my hair at least once a week. Yes. All right, dry shampoos. I actually used it today. I love it. This one's from Vegamore, the Go Dry Shampoo. I wouldn't recommend using it every day. Whenever I'm using a dry shampoo, it's because my hair is oily and the style looks oily and dirty and I need to wash it. Sometimes because my schedule can be so busy and I need my hair to go that extra day, I use a dry shampoo. But I don't go that extra 2 or 3 days. Sorry. The hair follicle's already clogged and it has a lot of product buildup. This will add to the product buildup. It actually will make it worse. My hand already has some oil that I tested earlier in this video, and I just sprayed the dry shampoo to show you guys how it would look like on an oily scalp. Lots of product buildup and it's hard to get rid of. I style my hair at least 3 times a week, if not at least once. It's really important that I use a heat protector. If I don't use a heat protector, I tend to see more split ends, more breakage. I do recommend 2 types of heat protectants. One is when I want to straighten my hair and the other one is when I want to blow dry. These are the 2 heat protectants that I recommend. This one is the Chi 44 Iron Guard and I typically like to use this when my hair is well. Quickly spray, comb, and let it air dry. You could also use this on dry hair, but for me, I actually like my hair to dry with the product. I use this one when I want to straighten my hair. It gives me a really nice, sleek, straight, frizz-free look. And this one is the, You guys already know the Kenra blow dry spray. It cuts down my drying and styling time by 50%. Like, no joke. It's one of my favorites. So whenever I want to do that blowout look, I spray this right when I get out of the shower. I comb my hair so I can spread the product evenly. What I like the most about this is that it's not heavy. It's not like an oil. It's more of like a silicone, silky base type of product. It lightly coats the hair, and it's perfect for those of us who like to increase that heat setting up to 450 like me. All my heat tools are on 450. I know it's not a good thing, but I'm always in a hurry and I always want things really fast. So these are the two top heat protectants that I love, and they help prevent frizz, they add a lot of shine and prevent breakage and split ends. Let me get you the shampoo that I've been using lately. It's not the shampoo that I love, but it works. If you're styling your hair all the time, I highly recommend having a shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask that targets hair breakage. So by using this, it says 80% less breakage, which I did notice. However, there is a better one. Obliphica, the shampoo and conditioner sea berry line, is amazing. It actually reduces hair breakage by 90% at least, I believe. A healthy pH balance means that it's between, I believe, like 3 and 5. And the reason why we want that is because it gives us this barrier, this protection from anything like fungus from happening. Also helps with breakage, it seals our cuticle, and it just makes our hair overall stronger. So yeah, make sure that the shampoo is also balancing out your pH balance as well. Another amazing product that I love is the Kenra Art Formation Spray. This is one of my favorite hairsprays, especially when I want to do a blow dry. I don't really like the super stiff hold hairsprays because I feel like it does weigh down my curls, and I want my hair to move. When I have a blowout, I want to play around with it, all while maintaining that hairstyle that I like. It's really good at maintaining certain types of styles. So sometimes I'll plump this up for some volume and then shake it a little bit, spray from far away, and I get like really nice volume like that. It's one of my favorite hairsprays. I would also like to mention it's important to take care of your mental health. For me, when I was finishing up my MBA program, and some of you guys may know that, I was really stressed out. Like, I was up till like 6 a.m. working on projects. So I did have only a couple hours to sleep, but I ended up with so much acne and hair loss. I would say approach the hair journey more holistically. Okay, so to wrap everything up, I do want to say that, over the years, I've learned to take more of a holistic approach when it comes to my beauty and my wellness. It's important to have a healthy diet, exercise, drink lots of water. Also, pick the right products that is going to serve your hair type. Make sure you understand your own hair type. Some of these products may not work for you because our hair types are different, but they work for me. It definitely has been kind of like a journey. It's all education, and the more you get to know your own hair and your own body type, the more you're going to know how to cure it or feed it or give it what it needs. It's actually really fulfilling in a way, like self-love. If you guys need some clarity on some things I said, ask them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will see you guys in my next video.